Okay, so this is kind of a boring video because we're just kind of going to go over some things that you need to do on any plot, like putting labels and things like that. So that's what I'm doing now. So if I want to put an X label, this is how you put an X label, AX. So I'm dealing back with this. So again, if I want to deal with an axis, again it's an axis. I know it sounds weird, but just think about a uh, grid or something like that. If I want to do that, I do ax dot x label, and here let me put, let's say the x values are represented, these are heights, something like this. And now, oh, sorry, I got it wrong. It's set x label. Okay, height. If you want a y label, ax dot set y label, weight. Okay, don't know why I'm picking those, just it's what I'm picking. And then if you want a title, ax dot set title, height and weight. Okay, figures should have or axes, grids, whatever you want to call it, should have labels on the x-axis, the y-axis, and overall the thing should have a label. And by the way, if you catch me looking off to the right, what I'm doing is I'm looking at this usage guide for Matplotlib. I use Matplotlib a lot in class, and to do things in class, to do plots. You can look at the examples that I've given for my differential equations class, but I often forget what the functions are. I mean, I know the functions exist, but I forget the names of them, which is why over here I said ax.x label instead of ax.setx label, because I forget what the functions are. So I'm going to put a link to this on Canvas as well for you to look at. But that's all for this video. This just gives some of the housekeeping things that you should do when you have a grid. So in the next video, we're going to look at some NumPy stuff and how to make some of this stuff right here a little easier, and then how to plot actual functions like y equals x squared, y equals sine x, that sort of thing.